What up, guys? You already know what it is. It's your boy Kellen in the six, hustling the hustle, running the 600 to $1 million challenge. Alright, guys, for my last update, if you were paying attention, as you can see, I took a second hit again. So let me just go back to my 1 day earning. So in 1 day, I lost $27, and that's because I hopped into Relic Health Technology. Relic Health Technology always been like a safety net for me, but normally I trade the stock when it's 23 25 cents, between the 23 and 25 cents range. Then what I'll do, I'll flip it when it gets to like 28 30. However, they had some really good news just a couple days ago, and ever since they've been trading very explosive. If you look at the chart here, 1 week ago, just like it's just a matter of week. Sorry, let me go back just a little. Yeah, just a matter of a week and a half, it just exploded. Because this is where I normally trade it. I trade it at 25, sometime, like I said, 23. All depends on the day and the volume. However, I missed my chance. I made my profit. I hopped out. It blew up, and I was expecting like a pullback. However, it did not pull back. It continued to run up, and as you can see, it just continued to climb and climb until it maxed out at 54 cents. So then I decided, okay, you know what, maybe it's time I get back in. I got back in not at 54, but I got back in somewhere here at 52 cents. Right now the stock is trading at 50 cents. When I got in at 52, the following day, the day after, pretty much it dipped to 47, and I'm like, oh damn, I'm really screwed now. However, it rebounded back to 50, and now I'm just kind of waiting. I'm excited. I'm not sure what's going to happen tomorrow, but when it comes to stock and trading, I'm always excited, and I just need to be a little bit more careful now when I'm trading my $600. I need to pay more attention to what's going on in the market. Like I said in my last video, I do apologize. I've just been super busy with the whole Christmas and training for a new job, so on and so forth. So I've been pretty tied up. However, I'm going to try to focus 25% of my energy back into the $600 investment challenge, guys. And we're going to watch $600 grow. I promise you, this $600 is going to turn into something else. Hopefully it doesn't turn into zero, but it's going to turn into something else. Since I'm here, I want to also show you guys something. The cryptocurrency account I started trading like 2 weeks back. So I did a $100 investment on Bitcoins. I was able to make 50 something dollars plus profit. So what I did, I pulled out my original $100 investment, and I put the $100 investment elsewhere. I'll show you that in a second. So currently I'm just holding like just a fraction of an actual Bitcoin, because to buy a Bitcoin now I need 42 grand, and I don't have 42 grand sitting around. And even if I did, I'm not gonna put it into Bitcoins because it's very, very volatile, extremely volatile, and it trades pretty much 24/7 around the clock. Anyways, guys, so everything you see right now trading right now in real time, that was my profit I made from my $100, and I pulled it out. You can see my average price was 26,000. Now it's trading at $42,000. I went into Ethereum. So Ethereum, the $100 I pulled out today from Bitcoin, I invested it here, and as you can see, so far so good. It's doing good. It's trading strong. I'm hoping that this goes to 7 grand. It's hard to say. 5 years ago it was trading at 12. 5 years ago it was trading at 1500. So who knows, maybe it's gonna beat the all-time high from 5 years ago. If it does, it's good news for me and everyone else that's actually trading it. I'm gonna bounce back here quickly just to show you guys something. Since I seen that okay, Bitcoin is not as bad as I thought, and I kind of understand it a little bit better now. What I did for cryptocurrency, if I go to my crypto account, sorry, accounts, crypto, as you can see, it says my net deposit is $300. Originally, I deposit 100 like I said before, and now my 100 is worth $164 and a couple cents. The extra $200 I just deposited on Friday. It's not in the account yet, so it shows my account value is $164 and a couple cents, but my actual account value is $364 and a couple cents. So once that's settled, it's still being settled to the bank account. Once it is, I'll give you guys a clear image. And stepping back here once again to my $600 investment challenge, guys, like if I can make a couple dollars tomorrow, even if it's like maybe I lost 27 cents on a minus, sorry, $27 and a minus 2 cents in the change of the stock, like the price change went down 2 cents, I lost $27. I mean, like if it goes up by 6 or 8 cents tomorrow, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull up my original investment again. I'm gonna leave the profit. I'm gonna let the profit runs the game. I'm gonna let the profit run the game. I'm gonna let the profit do what the profit does. Because the thing about money, right? And I learned it from Rich Dad Poor Dad. You're not supposed to work for the money. You gotta find a way to let the money work for you, and that's what I'm trying to do here now. And if I am successful in doing so, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys right now from the get-go. And I took an L on this, and I took an L already, and I'm gonna go back at it again. Bitcoins. Bitcoins is blowing up right now, and I'm looking into companies that mine Bitcoins, and Hive is one of those companies. It's just I lost faith and it went back up. um I bought into it when it went up, it came down, I lost faith again, I sold it. So that's how I lost some of my money. But what I'm gonna do tomorrow, if I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go in strong. Maybe half of my portfolio, I'm gonna go in at 300 something, and just try to hold it for long term and see where it goes. I'm hoping by the end of the week, fingers crossed, maybe we can cross 800 mark on our $600 investment challenge. Anyways, guys, it is what it is. What's the date today? January the 3rd. I'm out for now until next time. You already know it's your boy Kellen in the 6 hustling the hustle.